What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, and today we're looking at hot links. That's right, smoked sausage hot links. We're gonna be cooking them in the cooker or air fryer. This one is a Ninja 4-quart air fryer, and I've got mine frozen, so you can cook them frozen or you can cook them just how they come, just in the refrigerator section at your local store. So let's get these in the air fryer and I'll show you how to cook them. All right. There we go, we put them in there. Okay, so now, first and foremost, turn it on. Hold on, it's not plugged in. Okay, so yeah, apparently it wasn't plugged in. So yeah, make sure it's plugged in first. Anywho, alright, we gotta turn it on. And then for hot links, you can cook anywhere from 2 to 4 to 6 to however big your air fryer it is. Just today, just for demonstration, I'll only cook 2. Mine is frozen, like I said before. I like to usually set my food in this 4-quart Ninja air fryer for temperature wise 375. So let's go ahead and do that. And we're going to click air fry. Temperature 375. Now, since I've got 2, I'm going to be cooking them for about 10 minutes. And like I said, it's going to take longer just because it's frozen. If it was non-frozen, I would have cooked it for 8 minutes for 2 hot links. Now, if you cook 4, that's non-frozen, it'll be about 10 minutes. Let's get started. And I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Alright, they are done. Let's get these out and onto a plate. Woo. Look at that. All that sizzle. Ooh, and I can smell it too, really good. Alright, let's get these out onto a plate. Stick this back in here for now. Alright. Let's look at it in detail a little bit. That's it, that looks pretty good. Get that little char a little bit. It pops. That's pretty much how you know that it's done. Oh yeah, almost like a grill. Almost like a grill, but in the air fryer. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any bread to put these in, but I'll be eating them cut up. So, anywho, that's how you cook them in the air fryer.